I'm back after 2 weeks. ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे पता नहीं कितने बरसों पहले ये लाइव हुआ था. 2 हफ्ते ही हुए सिर्फ. But I don't know why. It feels like really long time back. For those who are joining in for the first time, this is Friday Night Live with Variku every Friday. Well, I shouldn't be saying this because that's like, no, it wasn't last Friday. Every Friday, I try to, but every Friday I come live on Instagram at 10 p.m. We basically have a nice, lovely, happy time. I bring people live. We have a wonderful conversation. Koi agenda nahi, kuch nahi, anything under the sun is applicable. You can ask me anything that you want. It could be a question about your life. It could be feedback. It could just genuinely be, hey, I just wanted to say hi, or I was just testing ki ye kaam kaise karta hai. Whatever under the sun. We've had performers come. We've had school kids, college kids, working professionals. Everyone is welcome. That's the way we do it. As I said, there's no goal. There's no agenda. It's the weekend, so we just want to bring this nice, happy feeling of the weekend coming through, and that's how we do it. All right, let's, on that note, get the first caller online and see who will that be. To request to come live, what you have to do is just request. I will randomly select someone. Koi pre-planning nahi hai, kuch nahi hai. It is just anyone could be a part of it. That's how we do it. Okay, let's bring Hannah. Let's bring Hannah first. Hannah, if you're live.
You are coming with me. Oh, well, Hannah declined because Hannah was like, woo, woo, woo. I was just trying. This was not something that I had planned for. काफी बार मुझसे ही होता है. काफी बार होता है मेरे साथ ये. काफी बार. All right, let's get Vamika. Vamika, let's see if you are available, Vamika. Let's make this happen. Thank you so much, Biswajit, for acknowledging the investing strategy. Hello, Vamika.
Hello,
How
sir.
are you?
Hi. Could you just give me a minute? I was actually making Maggie and I was just actually having
आपका
my
डिनर
dinner.
मैगी है.
I've had my dinner, but then I'm
यार
hungry
बात
again,
है.
so I'm
That
making
is
Maggie.
lovely. Would you want to make Maggie while talking to us? We would not mind that at all.
That is. I'll switch off the gas. That is not an issue. I can
Perfect. Where are
prepare
you
later.
from, Vamika?
I'm actually from Lucknow, but I am living here in Nasik. My dad is
Oh,
in the army,
so you
so we
keep
are posted
moving.
here.
And I know.
Yeah,
And what
too
do you do?
much. I am a student. I took a drop here actually, but now I got fed up of the drop, so I have joined
So you
college as
graduated
in
from
this
class
year.
12th last year?
Yeah, I did my class 12th last year, and then I took a basically. Sorry, there was a call.
That's okay.
I was preparing for NEET,
Okay.
and then because it postponed,
ये कॉल तो होके ही रहेगी. Someone's like calling you. उठाओ phone.
it's a friend.
Maybe the
नहीं
friend is
वो
trying to tell you that you are live on Instagram.
no. We were just talking about something. Yeah, I'll pick it up later.
Okay. Thank you so much for that.
Yeah.
हाँ, तो
So I
you
was
were preparing
preparing.
for NEET.
I was Yeah, so I was preparing for NEET last year. I wanted to basically just join the same line as my dad.
Your dad's a doctor?
So, but then, no. He's not a
Okay.
doctor. He's in the army. So I want to join it. But for
Got
girls,
it.
like there are very less options. Yeah. So I took the medical line. You know, everybody's pressure on head. कि ये कर लो, medical कर लो, ये नहीं होगा तो set
हाँ.
रहेगा and all of that.
So what are you doing now? Which college
Yeah.
have you
So
joined?
then I have joined St. Joseph's, but I dropped my NEET plan actually. I don't know if I should say that because I was fed up. I didn't want to do it, so I gathered all the courage and I told my parents, नहीं होना, please छोड़ दो. अब graduation कर लेती हूँ. So I've gotten into St.
And that is
Joseph's.
online,
Yeah.
I assume.
It's not yet started only, the new session.
So you
So
are
I'm
free.
free.
तभी आप
I'm
रात को
actually
10
free
बजे
all day.
भूख लगी
Yeah.
तो क्या खाएं, मैगी बनाइए जाए.
Maggie
When did you have
banana.
your dinner?
Yeah. I around
ये दोस्त ये दोस्त ये आपकी दोस्त है कि आपका दोस्त है?
आपकी मेरी दोस्त है अभी उसको
ये ये दोस्त आपका पीछा नहीं छोड़ेगी. इसको बहुत जरूरी कुछ बात करनी है आपसे. दोस्त आपका पीछा.
अरे I am so sorry.
That is
So
totally
I
fine.
am
That is totally fine. I just hope कि इस दोस्त से आप. बहन ये तो छोड़ ही नहीं रही है.
yeah
What if she's
yeah
worried
अरे
about
it is
you?
just she's calling again and no she's just calling again and again and she's texting me. I could get those WhatsApp notifications right? Again and again coming.
But she may be worried about you. She was like अभी तो मैगी बना रही थी अब कॉल ही नहीं उठा
Oh
रही है.
no, oh no. नहीं इतना नहीं.
Okay, awesome.
But I'm glad
Do you have any
yeah.
siblings?
Oh yeah, I do. I have a younger sibling. I have a younger sibling. I've gotten a dog recently.
I thought-
So all my free time is
I know
going with them
it's
only. वो big
it is
sibling
lovely.
beauty.
So this 1 year has been quite joyous for you. Of course, अब तुम थोड़ी बोर हो गई हो, but that's besides the point.
I actually wanted to, like when I gave the first.
उठाओ फोन उठाओ. तुम उठा क्यों नहीं रही हो बहन? उठाओ फिर से. Okay, why don't you do this? Let's make it easy for everyone. Why don't you take 1 minute, WhatsApp her that I am busy, please don't call. अभी भी लगी हो.
I'll just take 1
Please,
minute of yours. Just give me 1 minute.
Please take your time. तब तक हम बाकी लोगों से बात करते हैं. That's amazing.
Yeah,
Done.
done.
Well, you think it's done. You think it's done. अभी देखते हैं कि आपकी दोस्त कितनी persistent है. अगर वो आपकी सच्ची
Oh,
दोस्त
shit.
है तो फिर से कॉल करेगी जैसे किया उसने.
वो मैसेज करा उसने.
I
I'll
love
talk
it.
to her
I
later.
love her persistence. Please go ahead.
I just wanted to let you know. So a friend of mine introduced me to your page because I was going through that rough, I'd say, because when I told my parents ki, I'm getting off this track and just don't get on my end. So it was very sad and all. So then he introduced me to your page and I kept on searching and then I searched your YouTube as well. I found the YouTube thing as well and then I messaged you and you saw it. I was on cloud nine. And to be very honest, I'm not even kidding. I actually thanked him also. Thank you. You introduced me to such a lovely page. I'm very fond of reading, like not books and all, reading in general. And then I get very motivated whenever you post some things and you keep on motivating people. You're doing an
Thank you
amazing
so
job.
much. That's really
Thank
nice
you
of
so
you.
much.
In the middle of Maggie and your friend, it's so nice of you to have pulled out these words.
I am actually
No, of
so
course, don't
ashamed
be.
right now. My
This is
background is everything
exactly
filled
the
with
joy of
masala
life.
boxes and
Like this is the memory. एक point था जब 3,000 लोग मुझे देख रहे थे और मेरी दोस्त मुझे फोन किए जा रही थी और मैं मैगी बना रही थी. Like this is a beautiful memory.
that friend is also here. That friend who told
Oh,
me
is it?
about you is also here. And this is not actually my actual home. This is the government house we've been given. So it is all tuta futa from, it's not properly maintained. So I'm actually ashamed कि अच्छा ये
नहीं
corner
कुछ
वो
नहीं है.
corner.
All good, all good. Thank you so much for sparing time. Thank you so much for sharing your Maggie time.
Thank you so much for adding me. Thank you so much for adding
Please
me. It was
let your
lovely
friend
talking to you.
know that she is truly remembered.
I will.
Awesome. All the best. Have a good night. Enjoy your Maggie.
Thank you. Thank you.
There was one persistent friend. One persistent. Like जनरल एडवाइस, हाँ, अगर आप में से कोई भी जिंदगी में मेरे दोस्त बनेंगे और अगर आपने मुझे फोन किया और मैंने फोन काट दिया, तो प्लीज मुझे फोन वापस मत करिएगा। मैं आपको वापस फोन करूंगा, क्योंकि मैं एक रीजन से फोन काट रहा हूं। On that note, let's go and get the next caller online. Okay, and that will be, I hope I'm pronouncing your name right. Janil? Janil Desai? Let's get you, Janil. And let's see what you got. Janil, 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 Janil. कहाँ हो Janil? आओ, जल्दी आओ। ये शर्ट कितनी पुरानी, काफी पुरानी है यार। मैंने इस साल कोई कपड़े नहीं खरीदे हैं। इस साल मैंने न्यू ईयर रेजोल्यूशन किया था कि मैं कोई भी नया कपड़ा नहीं खरीदूंगा, तो ये सारे पुराने चले जा रहे हैं। ओके, फॉर सम रीजन जनरल जी नहीं आ रहे हैं, एंड इसके चलते अब हम किसी और को बुलाएंगे। ओके, let's see who will that be, and I am going through that list and see. Bak, 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 bak. Okay, 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 okay. इतने सारे लोग और इतने सारे। Any musicians in the house? प्लीज कोई झूठ मत बोलना यार। पिछली बार मुझे याद है, जाते जाते एक तो कोई था, कोई थी जिसने बताया आप, आई रिमेम्बर, उसने बोला था कि आई कैन सिंग पंजाबी और समथिंग लाइक दैट, एंड इट वाज ओके। हरिशंकर, हरिशंकर, लेट्स ब्रिंग यू live, my friend, and see what you got, Harishankar or Hari. आ जाओ, आ जाओ, आ जाओ, come on, hurry, hurry. Oh, हरी, 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 अंधेरा है हरी।
Yes, sir, I am here. Just give me a moment.
Please take your time. Take 10, 20, 30 seconds आराम से. We just don't want you feeling embarrassed.
Hello, sir.
Wow! You have to tell us what you were doing.
Sir, I was actually lying down with the lights off and watching your live. That's what I was doing. So
Awesome!
light and do some.
Awesome! Is it okay if I call you Hari?
Yeah, sure. Everyone
Awesome!
calls me.
I can imagine that. I can imagine that. Where are you? Where are you from, Hari?
Sir, I'm from Guwahati, Assam.
Okay. And right
Yeah,
now, are you in Guwahati?
yeah, I'm in Guwahati.
And what do you do there?
Sir, recently I had worked with the Times of India office.
Okay.
I was working as a backend office executive,
Okay.
and after that, I recently left my job because I have a wish of making a career in the investment banking industry.
Wow.
So I am
Good for
planning.
you.
Yes. So actually, I have a. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, I can hear you very well.
Yeah. Sir, I have a question.
Yes.
Sir, actually, I am very confused about what to do next.
Okay.
I mean, in order to make a career in finance, so I'm thinking whether I should do the CFA course or the MBA in finance. So I've been thinking, but I have wasted a year in this process. So
What did you
actually,
do your undergrad in, Hari?
sir, I completed my undergrad in BCom in
Okay.
management.
And did you enjoy commerce, accounting, business studies, economics?
Yes, sir, I enjoyed. But to be honest, I did not enjoy the accounting part of things, but I was interested in the business maths, the analysis, the finance, and all those stuff. And recently, after watching all your videos, I have also started investing. I have opened an
Nice.
account in Zerodha also.
Very
And
nice.
recently, I have also started to trade in options.
Okay. Risky, huh? Be
Yeah, yeah, it's
very,
very
very,
tricky.
very careful with that. It's a great way to make money, but you can very quickly lose money as well.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, on your question, Hari, I think that a better industry degree is a CFA. I am not a finance professional, so please don't take my advice for it. This is just my recommendation. Um, the reason why I'm also suggesting a CFA is because you can still decide to do an MBA in finance later on after your CFA if you want to. Of course, it's not a necessity, but you
Okay.
can. So a
Okay.
CFA is in my opinion, a genuinely good degree. I do feel that you should also equip yourself with online courses around finance, whether it's investing, whether it's economics, whether it's even accounting,
All
even
right.
if you don't like it, because that will just complement the entire learning and go through that CFA 1, 2, 3 level so that you get the best opportunities coming for you.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much. Now I am a little bit clear about what I want to do.
I am super glad, man. I'm super glad.
Yes, sir.
Awesome. All the best, Hari.
Yes,
Do
sir.
not try and hurry. Take your
Sure. Sure.
time. It's a very important decision. It
Yes,
is
sir.
your life. Do not be in under any pressure, any rush whatsoever. You have a wonderful long life ahead of you. Take your time to decide what you want to do. That's the
Okay, sir.
best thing.
Sure. Thank you so much, sir. I am
Awesome.
a big fan of yours. It's a pleasure to talk to you, sir.
Thank
I
you so
can't
much, Hari.
my request.
Thank you so much, Hari. All the best. Good night and
Yes, sir.
take
Thank
care.
you so much.
Bye.
Sir, I want to take a selfie.
Sure, sure, sure. Let's do that. Let's do that. Let's do that.
Yeah. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Awesome.
It's a
All the
pleasure
best,
to talk
Hari.
to you.
Take care.
Thank
Bye
you so much, sir.
bye.
Bye bye.
I loved it. Simple, straight. This is what I want to do. I'm confused, but we'll see how it works. Okay. Let's see who else is there. Nidhi. Nidhi, let's bring you live, Nidhi. Finally. Nidhi is someone who's been asking to come live for the longest time, and she's wonderfully persistent. So I owed
Hi,
it to
sir.
her to bring her live, and I'm so glad that I did that. Hi, Nidhi. Finally, we made it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You made me wait for so long, but I'm so happy that you accepted it. Thank you. Thank you.
I am more than happy. Tell us about yourself, Nidhi. Where are you from?
Basically, I'm from Rajasthan and currently residing in Mumbai. So
Okay, and
I
what do you do there?
requested you. I'm chartered accountant by profession. So I requested you to for this. I have written specifically poem and shayari for this thing for your thing. So I requested you for that only. Ki I want, matlab, I had a nightmare like so I sent you a request and you have accepted my request and I couldn't find my shayari. Like I was searching all these things, so that's why I decided I will write a particular poem for your session and then
My
we'll narrate
God.
in your frame.
माय गॉड ऐसे डरावने सपने ऐसे डरावने सपने इतना खौफ है मेरा ओ गॉड
I
चलिए
was so embarrassed.
बट आप कितने टाइम से पोएट्री लिखती हैं क्या इज दैट अ रीसेंट थिंग
It's a recent thing, not so, matlab, very casual thing, not so that
ओके
deep. I have written couple of shairis and one particular poem for this.
वाह लवली एंड ये शायरी हिंदी में
Of course, हिंदी में.
बहुत बढ़िया, very nice. I am totally ready. Please शुरू करिए.
Okay. So it's like I just call this महफिल. शायरी महफिल में होती है. So just to begin a महफिल, firstly I would like to start शायरी से ही करते हैं. तो शायर की हर शायरी आप पर एक कर्ज है. शायर की हर शायरी आप पर एक कर्ज है और महफिल में वाह वाह करते रहना आपका फर्ज है.
फर्ज है. वाह वाह वाह.
Okay, so sir, let's begin this. So first my shayari is for the LGBT community, like how ignorant we people are towards the love. So it's about that. हर मोहब्बत का मकसद बंधन नहीं होता. हर मोहब्बत का मकसद बंधन शादी नहीं होता. जो मकसद से की हो वो मोहब्बत नहीं होती. मोहब्बत की नहीं जाती है. मोहब्बत की नहीं जाती है. मोहब्बत हो जाती है. हदें तो इंसान की बनाई होती है. हदें तो इंसान की बनाई होती है. मोहब्बत तो हमेशा से ही बेहद होती है. बेहद होती है.
वाह वाह, बहुत खूबसूरत.
Thank you.
Very nice.
And
बेहद
second,
होती है.
exactly. And the second one is for like a birthday is special for every person and especially for the kids. So they demand gifts from their parents, but that gift is different for every kid. So the title of this shayari is तोहफा. माँ इस बार सारे दोस्तों को बुलाओगी ना. माँ इस बार सारे दोस्तों को बुलाओगी ना. माँ इस बार बड़ा वाला केक बनाओगी ना. माँ इस बार पिछली बारी से एक तोहफा ज्यादा लाओगी ना. माँ इस बार पिछली बारी से एक तोहफा ज्यादा लाओगी ना. माँ खाना ढूंढने कहीं दूर मत चली जाना. माँ खाना ढूंढने कहीं दूर मत चली जाना. मैं बिन खाए सो सकता हूँ. मैं बिन खाए सो सकता हूँ पर सो नहीं सकता तेरे बिन. तेरे बिन.
वाह
माँ
वाह.
क्या वहाँ ऊपर. माँ क्या वहाँ ऊपर एक टेलीफोन भी नहीं है. माँ क्या वहाँ ऊपर एक टेलीफोन भी नहीं है. आ नहीं सकती हो तो एक कॉल ही कर दिया करो. तो एक कॉल ही कर दिया करो.
Wow, that is very very deep, very touching. बहुत खूबसूरत, बहुत खूबसूरत.
Thank you,
You
sir.
should write more. You should definitely continue writing.
Definitely, I will, sir. And the third one, which I have specifically written for your session. So, it's about like how this middle class right now the middle marriages are done happening in middle class because of the FOMO, and I am part of that. So that's personally related to me, and I have written this. So title of this poem is "Sapne Mere Apne." So parents come on with proposals. इसके साथ सो सकती हो ना. इसके साथ नहीं तो इसके साथ तो सो ही सकती हो ना. सो सकती हो ना सिर्फ सोना ही तो है. अच्छा इसके साथ भी नहीं तो उसके साथ तो सो ही सकती हो. नहीं सोना नहीं सोना नहीं सोना मुझे किसी के साथ भी. क्योंकि कम नहीं है सपने मेरे अपने मेरे पास भी.
Nice.
जो जरूरत पड़े मुझे सोने की हर किसी के साथ भी. कम नहीं है सपने मेरे अपने मेरे पास भी. सोती हूँ मैं अपने सपनों के साथ. सोती हूँ ताकि देख सकूं सपने हर रात. उठती हूँ दौड़ती हूँ गिरती हूँ संभलती हूँ मैं लड़ती हूँ मैं कभी खुद से कभी इस दुनिया के साथ. कभी खुद से कभी इस दुनिया के साथ ताकि हो सके सपने वो साकार. ताकि हो सके सपने वो साकार जो देखे थे मैंने झक कर सारी रात. ताकि देख सकूं नए सपने मेरे अपने फिर हर रात. कम नहीं है सपने मेरे अपने मेरे साथ जो सोना पड़े मुझे हर किसी के साथ हर किसी के साथ.
ब्यूटीफुल, बहुत 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 ही बढ़िया यार,
Thank
बहुत
you,
अच्छा
sir.
लगा,
Thank you so much.
वेरी
Well, I have
नाइस।
narrated like this poem and shairis for the first time. I write and I post on something like Insta and everything, but I have narrated all these things anytime before.
Very good. I think this was a brilliant inaugural rendition ceremony for you. आपने मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगा. I genuinely
Thank
liked it. I
you.
feel that you have a lot of potential and you should totally please continue writing. जितना आप अपने एहसासों को महसूस करेंगी, I feel that you'll only become richer with your diction, with your feelings, with what is it that you're trying to express. बहुत बढ़िया. Very nice.
Thank
Loved
you,
it.
sir. Thank you. And I know it कि आज तो है ना live पे हो गई request because I had a good news also. I got a second job today. So that's why I was knowing कि आज तो होना ही चाहिए किसी भी कारण से.
Congratulations. Very nice. Brilliant. This seems like a
Thank
great
you.
Friday for you.
Yeah,
Wonderful.
it's a really like whole weekend is now. मतलब अब कुछ भी नहीं चाहिए weekend पे.
Awesome. I love it. Fantastic. Thank you so much for sharing, Nidhi. Thank you so much for
Thank you so much,
your
sir.
shairi and all the best with everything. Keep writing, please.
Abhi,
And
I have
all the
a
best for the
question.
job as well.
Thank you, thank you. I have a question also related to
Can
the
we
investment thing.
can I move to the next one
Okay,
and
okay,
then
okay, 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 okay.
message me, okay? So message me and I will definitely
Fine,
answer
fine,
the
fine.
question. Yeah?
Okay.
All the best,
Thank you,
Nidhi.
sir.
Bye
Thank you for your
bye.
time. Thank you for time. Bye bye.
That was very nice. That was very nice. Shairi in general somehow just touches me. It's such a beautiful way of expressing whatever is it that you're feeling. बहुत बढ़िया. Good stuff. Very nice. Okay, let's go and see who's next, and that will be Janil. एक बार फिर से try करें. Let's try once more, my friend, and let's see if that works. चल गया. How are you, Janil?
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hello. Hello, sir.
Nice.
How are you?
चल गया. Am I pronouncing your
Yes.
name right, Janil?
Yes, yes, sir. It's right. It's correct.
Super.
Absolutely.
कहाँ से हैं आप, Janil?
Sir, I'm from Ujjain.
वाह, क्या
Yeah.
बात है. And उज्जैन में क्या करते हैं? अभी आप उज्जैन में हैं?
Yes, I'm in Ujjain.
Okay. And क्या करते हैं आप
And
उज्जैन में?
also, I'm an artist. I do hyper realistic drawings. Let me show you. So this was my latest drawing of weekend, and this was Walter White. It's colored pencil, and
What?
this is rice. Yes.
नहीं, एक मिनट. Hold. This is a painting?
Yes, sir. It's
Holy
done by a
shit.
colored pencil drawing.
Oh my
And
God.
there is one more. Let me show you. Yeah.
Boss, I can't get over what I just saw. कितने सालों से ये कर रहे हैं, Janil?
uh, around 18 years, 1/8. I'm from doing it
Really?
from
How
my.
old are you?
I'm 24,
Brilliant.
and this is burger.
Oh my God, this is like a photograph, my friend.
And this one,
My
it's the
God, this is unbelievable. Unbelievable.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
How do you even see this? Like, इस चीज को देखने के लिए इतने सारे senses चाहिए, भाई. Wow. This is
Thank you so much,
incredible,
sir.
man. So I really hope that this is what you do professionally.
Yes, yes, I do professionally, and इसके लिए मैंने कॉलेज से भी ड्रॉप आउट ले लिया था अभी.
बहुत बढ़िया.
That's
बहुत बढ़िया. माँ बाप खुश हैं?
yes, पूरा सपोर्ट मिला मेरे को उसमें.
Brilliant, यार. Brilliant. Well played, my friend. Well played, यार. Well played. Like, it would be such a tragedy to see you in college. Frankly, मतलब वो एक और जिंदगी बर्बाद वाला thing. You are doing what you are rock solid in. This is incredible, man. Do you
Thank you
take
so much.
do you usually sell your art or do you get
Yes, yes.
commissioned art to do?
Yeah,
Usually कैसा
I'm
रहता है?
yeah, I'm doing one commission work. Let me
Okay.
show you. Is also portrait. Yeah, it's ongoing.
Wow, incredible, man, incredible. I I am going. Can you please DM me? I am definitely going to give you some work
Sure,
that I would
sir.
love for you to pick up.
I would love to, sir.
This is
Sure, sir.
incredible,
Sure,
man.
sir.
You literally have taken my breath away. इतना incredible था what I saw. It was just I couldn't believe कि वो आपने actually draw किया है. It looked like a photograph.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you
Very
so
very
much.
nice. How did you like? If you've been doing it for 18 years, इसका मतलब
Yes.
6 साल की उम्र में करीबन करीबन आपको पता चला कि आपको ड्राइंग में रुचि है.
हाँ, मतलब उससे पहले भी पता चल गया था। मतलब मम्मी को मैं बचपन से ही मेरा इसमें ही था। पढ़ाई में बिल्कुल भी मतलब मन लगता ही नहीं था। एग्जाम के एक दिन पहले भी मैं मतलब इवन एग्जाम में भी मैं ड्राइंग मतलब कंप्लीट जैसे एग्जाम का पेपर कंप्लीट होते से ड्राइंग वगैरह स्टार्ट कर दिया था। तो उस टाइम से लग गया था और टीचर्स वगैरह को भी लग गया था क्या बोले इसको इसमें ही जाना है आगे। तो 10th के बाद आई चूज फाइन आर्ट्स इन 11th 12th एंड आफ्टर दैट मैंने जे आर्ट्स कॉलेज है बॉम्बे का वहां अप्लाई
Yeah,
किया था।
correct.
तो ऑल इंडिया रैंक मेरी 16th आई थी पहली बार। सेकंड बार 9th आई ऑल इंडिया रैंक।
Wow.
बट फिर भी एडमिशन नहीं हुआ बिकॉज आउट ऑफ महाराष्ट्र स्टेट्स के लिए वहां पर पेंटिंग में एक ही सीट है और अप्लाइड आर्ट्स में 3 है। अभी भी यही प्रोसीजर है। सो 2 साल मेरा वहां गया और उसके बाद 3 साल मैंने कॉलेज में MIT कॉलेज में अप्लाई किया। फिर वहां एडमिशन लेके 3 साल अप्लाइड आर्ट्स करके अभी ड्रॉप आउट ले लिया बिकॉज मेरे को जम नहीं रहा था कॉलेज। सो
बहुत
आई
बढ़िया
स्टार्टेड
किया
माय
है.
फ्रीलांसिंग
बहुत ही बढ़िया किया. आई लव इट. आई लव इट. एंड मोस्टली आपको आपका आप ज्यादा अपना आर्ट जो है वो इंस्टाग्राम पे शेयर करते हैं. वहीं आपने अपना
यस यस
पोर्टफोलियो
यस
बनाया.
हाँ यस पूरा पोर्टफोलियो मैंने इंस्टाग्राम पे बनाया है।
ब्रिलियंट यार. वेल प्लेड यार. वेल प्लेड. ब्रिलियंट. आई लव इट. ये
थैंक
ये
यू
तो
सो
डेफिनेटली मैं क्लिप बनाऊंगा टू इंस्पायर एवरीवन who wishes to follow
मच।
their dream. You are the perfect example, my friend, of doing something that you should have always done.
सर आपकी
बहुत
वीडियोस
मजा आ
देख
गया.
देख के ही हिम्मत आई ड्रॉप आउट लेने की बस। दैट्स द मेन थिंग।
नहीं मैंने ये सारा आपका किया है. अगर आप में ये खूबी नहीं होती ना, इट इज लाइक यू वर्क फॉर दिस यार. 18 साल से
यस
आप
सर।
इस चीज को फॉलो कर रहे हैं. इट्स नॉट अ जोक. बहुत बढ़िया यार. मजा आ
सर
गया.
मेन तो पेरेंट्स का सपोर्ट और बहुत सारे लोगों
यस.
का सपोर्ट था उस कारण।
Yes. You are
दैट्स द मेन
blessed. You
थिंग
are
यस।
very lucky. Make the most of it. Just
थैंक यू
genuinely
सो मच।
enjoy what you're doing यार. आप जितना मजे से इस चीज को करेंगे उतना ही आप आगे जाएंगे. That is the only thing that I can tell you, which you already know, I'm sure. But beautiful यार.
थैंक यू
Beautiful.
सो मच सर।
High point of today. Very nice. I am going to DM you for sure. If you can
यस
DM
सर।
me,
या
then I will
आई
just
विल
know where to do that.
या आई विल श्योरली डू
And I'm sure we will get to work together someday.
यस सर श्योर
Yeah?
यस
Cool,
सर।
man. All the
सर
best.
कैन आई
Thank you so
टेक अ
much, General.
सेल्फी सर?
Absolutely, you can
यस
take a selfie.
यस सर
This.
यस सर। थैंक यू सो मच सर।
Awesome. All the best, General.
थैंक यू।
Have a lovely weekend.
बाय।
Wow. Incredible. Incredible. It- See, मैं एक आर्टिस्ट को सही से परख नहीं सकता क्योंकि मैं एक एक्सपर्ट नहीं हूं. तो दूर से जितना भी एक लेमन टर्म्स में दिखता है वो दिखता है. बट दैट्स नॉट द पॉइंट. द पॉइंट इज नॉट हाउ गुड जनरल इज. द पॉइंट इज दैट ही इज डूइंग समथिंग दैट ही वांट्स टू डू. एक ऐसी चीज जिसमें वो खुद सबसे अच्छा है. इट इज नॉट अबाउट कि जनरल पूरी दुनिया में सबसे बेहतर और सबसे ऑसम पेंटर्स में से कितनी रैंक पे खड़ा होता है. फक दैट शिट. इट इज नॉट दैट. इट इज कि वो खुद कितना अच्छा है. वो जो सारी चीजें जो जनरल कर सकता है उन सारी चीजों में से वो एक चीज कौन सी है जो वो सबसे अच्छी करता है. एंड इज ही फॉलोइंग दैट और नॉट. And it's just so clear that he is. ये इसका ikigai है. This is his purpose of his life. He is good with this. It makes him happy. It is what the world wants from him, and he's making money from it. Nothing is more precious than that. And वो हर एक इंसान जो आज जनरल को देखकर एक तरीके का गिल्ट या रिग्रेट महसूस कर रहा है that shit I gave away what I was good at to follow some random engineering or CA or something else because the world told me कि वही चीजों से जिंदगी में आगे बढ़ते हैं. This is a reality check. Today's Instagram live should be that shock that you needed in life. Go and change what you're doing with your life. Go and change it. Do not waste this. Do not waste what you have. It is the most precious thing that you have. Be like Janelle. Everybody should be like Janelle. Loved it. Loved it. All right. I'm so glad I brought him back. पहली बार तो मिला भी नहीं था. All right, let's go and see who's next. Shweta Mishra, if you're ready, I'd love to bring you live. Shweta. राहुल, CA में फंस गए हो भाई.
Hi.
Hi.
I hadn't expected it, man. I was just laid back and I was like, okay, I'm not gonna get accepted anyway, so let's just listen to what's being
I
said.
have had people join me with face packs on. So don't worry about this. Totally not. कहाँ से आप श्वेता?
Wow. I totally didn't. I'm still trying to, accept and understand the fact that I'm live with you. My brother just
stuck,
came
though.
in and was like,
You're stuck. Oh God. Yes, now you're okay. No, we can't hear you now. We can't hear you now. No, we can't hear you. I can't hear you. Let me try again, okay? I'm trying once more time. I'll try again. Yeah, I don't know what happened, but something happened and then she just went away. Okay, let's just see if we can try and get her back. But that means I will have to search for her. Oh, ये रही. दिख गई थी कहीं. कहाँ है? अरे, Shweta, yes. All right, let's try once more, Shweta, and I hope that this works. Nobody can hear me. As in, I hope you can hear me.
yep.
Oh, now it is.
Am I
Yes,
audible
you are
now?
audible now. The advice from people is कि screen recording मत करिए क्योंकि उससे आवाज चली जाती है. In case you were doing that.
No, but I don't have that feature in my phone
Wow,
to screen
what a
record
lovely
anyway. But it tends to happen with
Don't
Insta
worry about
Live.
it. Who's behind
But
you?
my goodness, I'm so happy.
Hi.
My brother. That's my brother. He's into fitness.
Hi, Ankur. I'm a fitness coach, and I was having my dinner right now. I just overheard that you are having she is live with you. I left my dinner and I'm back here with you.
Awesome. What is your name?
I am Shweta. My name is Shweta. He's Saurabh.
Saurabh and Shweta. Lovely. So,
And I'm the younger one.
Yeah, he's the younger one, by the way, because people tend to confuse him as the elder one.
So,
Yeah. Yeah, and he shows that off a lot.
where are both of you from?
We were born in Bihar. We grew up in Bengal, and we are in Bhubaneswar since last 10 years. So, 3 different places.
And what do you do, Shweta?
I am doing a couple of things. I'm pursuing my master's in economics and also CA. I just gave my intermediate ka group 1 ka papers. And I work at a startup here called Gilerio. So I'm actually more inclined towards the startup work than I am towards my studies. So I keep getting a bit of, scoldings at home because of that. But I really believe in the idea. I think that's something epic. and it can grow a lot. And I have some of my own ideas that I want to work on.
Wonderful. I love that. I love that. I only wish that you were not caught in that CA करना है, intermediate दे दिया है, अब final के लिए बैठना है, and so on. Is your mom or dad a CA?
No, they are not, but my dad always wanted to be a CA, so you know where that's coming from.
I can imagine. चलिए कोई नहीं. You will figure it out while you move along. But startup is a great place to be. Startups are wonderful. I would heavily endorse them. And I think you will get to learn a lot if you were to be with one.
Definitely. In fact, who's my boss? Like, he's my mentor, and I've known him for like 9 or 10 years now, Professor Surya Mishra. He's amazing. And he always tells me this one thing that I stick to, that always make mistakes. Because when you making mistakes is a sign that you're doing something. And unless you make mistakes, you're not going to learn. So keep tripping over, keep failing. That is how you learn that you need to grow or you need to get better.
I love that. Wise man.
Yeah. I have one question for you though. How do you manage to stay upbeat all the time? I mean, I have so many lows and highs and all these phases. I mean, I'll be upbeat a day and the next day I'm like, oh my God, I can't get up today. And he wants to be in the frame. But how do you do that?
No, I think all of us have our ups and downs. It is not that I am perpetually up and I never have a down. But I think what's happened over several years is I've become wiser कि जो कुछ भी हमारे साथ उस moment पे हो रहा होता है श्वेता, it is mostly very temporary and most of it will just eventually pass. So you are feeling whatever you're feeling in that moment. I allow myself to feel that way, but then I also have this very strong realization कि इस छोटी चीज से या इस चीज से जो अभी मेरे साथ हो रही है मेरी जिंदगी नहीं हिलने वाली. शायद 1 घंटा, 1 दिन, 1 हफ्ता हिल जाएगा, but I will be back to where I am. And I think then that just takes me back. Plus the most important thing, which may not be, and I'm not necessarily hinting, but may not be true for you, is I'm genuinely doing things that I want to do in my life. That may not be because you may be doing some things in your life which you have been asked to do, but you don't want to do. And that will, of course, pull you down. It will pull anyone down. तो जितना आप अपनी जिंदगी में वो चीजें करेंगी जो आप करना चाहती हैं, you will have lesser and lesser reasons to be feeling down.
Makes sense. You were asking for a musician. I don't know how to play an instrument, but I can sing. Okay. So if you don't mind, I'd love to sing something.
I'm always up for it, and especially people who would sign up. Pakka.
Is there any particular song that's on your mind?
You are the director actor.
Okay, that's sweet. I don't know if you've heard of this song called Mujhse Pehli Si Mohabbat. It's a nazm actually by Faiz Ahmed Faiz, and it sounds romantic, and of course it's romantic in a lot of ways, but it was written during the partition, so it has a very different historical aspect to it. So if ijazat hai to sunayenge hum.
Bilkul. Arz.
Thank you. मुझसे पहली सी मोहब्बत मेरे महबूब न मान, मुझसे पहली सी मोहब्बत मेरे महबूब न मान, मुझसे पहली सी मोहब्बत मेरे महबूब न मान, मुझसे पहली सी मोहब्बत मेरे महबूब न मान. मैंने समझा था कि तू है तो दरख्शां हया, तेरा गम है तू भी दहकम झगड़ा तेरी सूरत से है आलम में बहारों को सवार, तेरी आँखों के सिवा दुनिया में रखा क्या है, तेरी आँखों के सिवा दुनिया में रखा क्या है। तू जो मिल जाए तो तकदीर भी हो जाए, यूं न था मैंने फकत चाहा था यूं हो जाए, मुझसे पहली सी मोहब्बत मेरे महबूब।
Very
Thank you for
nice.
listening.
Very,
Thanks,
very
Siddhant. Give up live
nice.
over here with
That
me.
is brilliant. That is not bad at all. Love it. I loved how you took up.
Why can't I hear you?
Hello? Hello?
Some problem on my side. Some problem on my side. I'm pretty sure it's a problem on my side.
I can hear you very well.
But thank you for having me here. Thanks a lot for bringing me live. Absolutely loved it, being here. I still can't believe my legs are still trembling because I'm that nervous. But wow, I am gonna have a great next few days. I mean, I'm live here.
Awesome. Thank
Thank
you
you.
so much.
Have a great night. and a
Thank you
great day.
so much. Thanks a
Bye-bye.
lot. Thank you, Shweta. Bye. I don't think that she could hear me towards the end. It was a lovely song, beautiful pick, and of course she sung really well. So that was really nice as well. Here's the thing. I'm sure that she is, or she doesn't consider herself as like a trained singer, but she's like, yeah, let me just do it. Zindagi mein aur kya rakha hai? And I just, that's the, literally, that's the attitude that you need in life. Like, इसी से सब कुछ बन जाता है, सब कुछ. All right, let's go and see who's next. We'll try and see Arpit Naval. If you are ready, my friend, then we will bring you live, Arpit, and talk to you. अर्पित की दीवारें और अब अर्पित का चेहरा.
Hello, hello, hello.
How are you, Arpit?
I am good. So unexpected.
बस यही हो रहा है आज. कहाँ से हैं आप, अर्पित?
I am basically from Rajasthan,
Okay.
and at present I am in Pindwada, Siroi near Udaipur.
Oh, and what are you doing there?
Actually, पापा का जॉब है, तो अभी पापा का जॉब इधर है.
Okay. And आप खुद क्या करते हैं?
Family. मैं सीए परसू कर रहा हूँ. सीए फाइनल के एग्जाम दिए.
आज 6 लोगों में से 4 लोग या तो सीए सोच रहे हैं या कर रहे हैं या नहीं करना चाहते हैं. तो आप किस में हैं?
I
आप
don't
सीए
like
अपनी,
कि
आप सच बोलेंगे, अब आप सीए अपनी मर्जी से कर रहे हैं?
इनिशियली जब 11th
इसी
में
पॉइंट पे
कॉमर्स ली थी.
इंटरनेट कनेक्शन वीक हो गया. हेलो.
हाँ,
हाँ, अब आ
अभी
गया.
ठीक है.
अब आ गया. हाँ, अब आ गया. अर्पित, मैं पूछ रहा था, आप सीए अपनी मर्जी से कर रहे हैं?
नहीं, इनिशियली 11th में जब कॉमर्स लिया था, तो कॉमर्स तो अपनी इच्छा से लिया था.
ओके.
बिकॉज आई न्यू साइंस में मेरा इंटरेस्ट नहीं है.
ओके.
बट जब कॉमर्स लिया था तो इतने ऑप्शंस पता नहीं थे. सिर्फ एक ही ऑप्शन पता था कि कॉमर्स में सिर्फ सीए करना है. तो आई एनरोल्ड इन इट. मैंने कॉलेजेस अप्लाई किए थे, कुछ किए थे, क्योंकि सिर्फ सीए करना है, ऑप्शंस पता नहीं थे उसको. एंड वाइल डूइंग इट, आईपीसीसी के टाइम पे थोड़ा फील हुआ था कि नहीं, बट जो ट्रेनिंग पीरियड रहता है उसमें आई स्टार्टेड एंजॉइंग इट. मेरे को ट्रेनिंग अच्छी लगने लगी, प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपोजर मिला था जो मेरे को अच्छा लगने लगा. मैंने
Nice.
2-3 चीज़ें नई ट्राई करी जो मेरे को अच्छा लगने लगा. तो नाउ आई एम लाइक कि नॉट फॉर डूइंग सीए, बट जो प्रैक्टिकल चीज़ें मैं कर रहा हूँ, जो मेरे को चीज़ें अच्छी लग रही है, उसके लिए मैं सीए करना चाह रहा हूँ.
चलिए, बहुत बढ़िया है यार. आई लाइक दैट अप्रोच. अगर आपको प्रैक्टिकली अच्छा लग रहा है जो आप सीए में सीख रहे हैं और जो आप अपनी कंपनी में या अपने ट्रेनिंग में अप्लाई कर पा रहे हैं, देन दैट्स अ गुड स्पॉट टू बी. फिर ऐसा लगता है कि शायद आप एक अच्छे सीए बनेंगे और जबरदस्ती वाले नहीं बनेंगे.
नहीं नेचुरली इसीलिए लाइक अभी मेरा एग्ज़ाम ख़त्म हुए तो एग्ज़ाम ख़त्म होने के बाद मेरा इंटरेस्ट था, कोई कनेक्शन नहीं है, बट आई स्टार्टेड टू लर्निंग पाइथन सीखना मैंने शुरू किया क्योंकि बहुत कोडिंग बहुत फैसिनेटिंग लगती है। अभी आप देखो तो हर जगह कोडिंग कोडिंग चल रहा
वेरी
है,
नाइस यार, वेरी वेरी
तो वी
नाइस,
आर
वेरी
पार्ट ऑफ दैट।
एडमिरेबल, बहुत बढ़िया अर्पित, बहुत बढ़िया, गुड स्टफ। ये कोडिंग शायद आपके काम में काम नहीं आएगी, लेकिन क्योंकि आप कोडिंग सीख रहे हैं ना, आपकी सोच बदलेगी। सो आई लव इट, वेरी नाइस,
अच्छा जी,
वेरी वेरी नाइस।
आई आई हैव अ क्वेश्चन लाइक कि
प्लीज।
लाइक मतलब आप कोई भी चीज़ लाइक कोई भी एक आइडिया सोचो, कुछ भी एक बिजनेस आइडिया भी सोचो, तो आपको इनिशियली कुछ पता नहीं रहता है कि हाउ टू गो फॉर इट, आप डेटा कहाँ से इकट्ठा करो। कि लाइक अगर आप कोई टेक्निकल चीज़ में जाओ, फॉर एग्जांपल आई वाज थिंकिंग कि अभी जो कंडीशंस चल रही है, बट जो गवर्नमेंट ने भी जो ग्रांट्स दिए और जो दिए कि आप मेडिकल इक्विपमेंट्स बनाओ और ये करो, तो उसके लिए आप कुछ सेटअप करो तो आपको मेडिकल बैकग्राउंड की नॉलेज चाहिए। अब आप कुछ भी सेटअप करो, आप सारी चीज़ों तो कवर अप नहीं कर सकते हो, तो हाउ टू अप्रोच फॉर दैट कि आप अपनी फील्ड का करते हुए भी जो आप नई फील्ड को चूज़ कर रहे हो तो उसका डेटा कैसे इकट्ठा करो, कि लाइक मेडिकल में इक्विपमेंट्स कहाँ से आते हैं, किस में क्या स्पेसिफिकेशंस है, क्या क्या चाहिए रहता है,
तो
तो हाउ
देखिए,
टू
इसका
वर्क ऑन
आंसर जो है ना अर्पित, वो बहुत ही सिंपल है यार, लेकिन हम ना थोड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेट कर देते हैं। मैं आपसे एक अलग सवाल पूछता हूँ। अगर आप एक जासूस होते और मैं आपको बोलता कि यार आपको जासूसी करके मेडिकल इंडस्ट्री में ये जो एक चीज है, लेट्स से मास्क है, मास्क कैसे बनता है, किस प्राइस पे बनता है, कहाँ से उसके रॉ मटेरियल आते हैं, कहाँ उसकी पैकेजिंग होती है, किधर किधर बिकता है, कितने दाम पर बिकता है, ये सब कुछ आपको पता करना है। आप एक जासूस हैं। तो जैसे ही आपको लगेगा ना आप एक जासूस हैं, आप एक जासूस की टोपी पहनेंगे, अपने मुंह में एक सिगार और एक सिगरेट लेंगे, ओवरकोट डालेंगे और फिर घुस जाएंगे इसके अंदर। लाइक आप लोगों से बात करेंगे, आप उस मार्केट में जाएंगे, आप दुकानदार के पास जाएंगे, बोलेंगे ये मास्क आपने कहाँ से लिया? अच्छा, चांदनी चौक से लिया। फिर चांदनी चौक जाएंगे, वहां किसी से पूछेंगे कि ये मास्क कहाँ से आया। अच्छा, उस फैक्ट्री से आया। फिर फैक्ट्री जाएंगे, वहां किसी को थोड़े से पैसे खिला के आप पता करेंगे कि ये कहाँ से माल आता है, क्या होता है, वगैरह वगैरह। असली जिंदगी में ना इससे ज्यादा अलग नहीं है। हमें लगता है कि हम घर बैठे गूगल करेंगे तो सारी चीजें हमारे सामने आ जाएंगी, एंड दैट इज द वे टू डू इट। बट रियलिटी यही है कि जब कभी भी आप एक नया बिजनेस सोचते हैं, एक नया स्टार्टअप सोचते हैं, एक नया धंधा सोचते हैं, आपको मार्केट में घुसना पड़ेगा और उसकी बारीकियों को समझना पड़ेगा फ्रॉम पीपल हु आर डूइंग इट। एंड फिर अपने आप से ये पूछना पड़ेगा कि जैसे इस मार्केट में आज चीजें हो रही हैं, उसको मैं कैसे बेहतर बना सकता हूं, फास्ट बना सकता हूं, सस्ता बना सकता हूं, बिकॉज उससे मैं इन सब लोगों से जीत पाऊंगा। That is the way to think about it. So there is no difference between एक जासूसी वाला अप्रोच एंड रियल लाइफ. इट इज द एग्जैक्ट सेम थिंग. लेकिन हमें लगता है कि कोई रिपोर्ट होगी, कोई एक प्लेटफॉर्म होगा जहां सारी ये सवालों के जवाब मिल जाएंगे. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है मेरे दोस्त, नहीं है ऐसा कुछ. हर एक चीज के लिए फाइट मारनी पड़ेगी, हर एक चीज को समझना पड़ेगा अंदर घुस के, एंड इट विल ओनली हैपन व्हेन यू स्टेप your foot into the actual real world market.
बट अभी कभी कभी ऐसा भी होता है ना कि लाइक अगर आप रेगुलरली चीज़ें फॉलो करते जाओ तो हर 2 महीने में कुछ आपको नया फैसिनेटिंग लगता है. हर 2 महीने में आपको कोई नई बिजनेस अपॉर्चुनिटी ऐसी लगती है कि नहीं, ये वाली मेरे को करनी है.
बिल्कुल.
तो वो सब कुछ तो आप नहीं एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हो, तो वो कैसे डिसाइड करें कि क्या करना है?
तो आई वुड एक्चुअली से कि आपको सब कुछ परस्यू करना चाहिए टू अ पॉइंट जहां आपके पास वो सवाल का जवाब हो कि क्या इसमें कुछ वेट है, कुछ मजबूती है या नहीं. तो पर्सनली मैं क्या करता हूँ, मेरे दिमाग में भी बहुत सारे आइडियाज आते हैं, मेरे दिमाग में भी बहुत सारे बिजनेस अपॉर्चुनिटीज आती हैं. मैं उनको ना 2-2 हफ्ते का टाइम देता हूँ, और उस 2 हफ्ते में मैं घुस जाता हूँ उसके अंदर. हर एक इंसान से बात करूंगा, एक थीसिस बनाने की कोशिश करूंगा, कुछ कुछ थोड़े बहुत ऐड चला दिए, कुछ कुछ थोड़ा बहुत मॉकअप बना दिए, कुछ कुछ थोड़ा बहुत डिजाइन बना के लोगों को दिखा दिए, उनसे फीडबैक लिया. व्हाटएवर आई डू, 2 हफ्ते के अंदर मुझे एक हाँ या ना वाला जवाब चाहिए. एंड it's mostly driven by gut, and it's mostly driven by a lot of reactions and emotions that are being generated. लेकिन very often than not I land well, बहुत कम हुआ है कि मैंने किसी बहुत बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी को ना बोल दिया हो या कोई बहुत ही घटिया अपॉर्चुनिटी को हाँ बोल दिया हो। बहुत सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज बिल्कुल सीधे ही बैठती हैं, जहां मेरा मन ये कहता है इन 2 हफ्ते की रिसर्च के बाद कि इसमें कुछ तो मजबूती है, एंड एक्चुअल में भी इसमें कुछ दम होता है। तो give it some time, like just it doesn't have to be months, it doesn't have to be years, it can just be 2 हफ्ते के अंदर you get to that point.
नाइस। वन लास्ट थिंग, कुछ पूछना नहीं है, जस्ट लाइक मैं आपका ट्वीट्स फॉलो कर रहा था। अराउंड अ वीक आपने एक ट्वीट किया था कि आपको एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म चाहिए जहाँ आप प्रीपे करके गिफ्ट कार्ड दे दो या गिफ्ट लिंक दे दो, कोई उसका ऑर्डर करे। तो वो ट्वीट देख के मेरा एक दोस्त है जो ऑलरेडी कोडिंग कर रहा है, तो मैंने उससे आधा घंटा बात की, मैंने उसको कन्विंस करने की कोशिश की। हमने थोड़ा बहुत प्रिपेयर भी करना शुरू किया, बट हम पेमेंट गेटवे पे जाके रुक गए कि लाइक मतलब आपको पहले पेमेंट गेटवे चाहिए, फिर आप उसका अप्रूवल कैसे लोगे। अदरवाइज आई वाज थिंकिंग कि विद इन अ वीक और विद इन अ 10 में कुछ एक ऐसा ड्राफ्ट हम दोनों मिलके आपको एक कोल्ड ईमेल लिखे। पता नहीं आप रिस्पॉन्स करो नहीं करो, बट या वी वर ट्राइंग।
नहीं, इट्स फैसिनेटिंग यार, बहुत ही बढ़िया। देख ऐसे ही अपॉर्चुनिटीज बनती है अर्पित, एंड आई लव दिस फैक्ट कि आपने एक ट्वीट से, एक रैंडम इंसान की कोई रैंडम ट्वीट को उठाकर एक अपॉर्चुनिटी एक्सप्लोर करी, उसको परस्यू करने का कोशिश किया। दैट्स ब्रिलियंट, दैट इज एब्सोल्युटली ब्रिलियंट। इस चीज को ना प्लीज कभी भी अपनी जिंदगी से हटाइएगा मत। चाहे आप जितने भी बूढ़े हो जाएं, चाहे आप जितना भी सीए क्लियर कर लें, आप प्लीज ये जो क्यूरियोसिटी होती है ना, एक जिज्ञासा कि इस चीज को मैं कितनी डीपली और कितनी दूर तक एक्सप्लोर कर सकता हूँ, ये सबसे प्रेशियस चीज है। जब तक ये आपके पास रहेगी, आप आगे ही बढ़ते रहेंगे।
श्योर, बिल्कुल। अब तो उस पर थोड़ा कोशिश करते हैं।
Brilliant. I love it, man. Thank you so much.
थैंक यू।
All the best. Take care and stay safe.
थैंक यू, सेम टू यू। इट वाज
All the best, Arpit. Bye bye. Thank
बाय बाय,
you.
गुड नाइट।
Good
night.
night. Lovely, man. एक CA है, and now he's thinking of so many other things. I love it. I really, really like it. यही करना है जिंदगी में, ऐसे ही approach. All right. One last, and then we will see how we can be. Okay. Pooja! Pooja, you seem to be a makeup artist, Pooja. Pooja, let's see if you are available. And हम आपसे बात करेंगे, Pooja. Pooja. पूजा पूजा पूजा, वक्त हो रहा है, आपको जल्दी से ऐड करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि इतना टाइम हमारे पास है नहीं। वक्त बीता जा रहा है, वक्त। ओके, चलिए, पूजा नहीं आ रही या आना नहीं चाहती, and we will respect that. So we will try and bring someone else and see who will that be. Shivi, let's see if you are available, Shivi. अगर शिवी भी ना बोल देती है, then we will call it a night and we'll say चलिए अब आगे बढ़ते हैं, सोने चलते हैं। अरे शिवी आ गई। Hi Shivi.
Hi Ankur, how are you?
How are you? Very well.
I almost thought it's impossible for me to be on this live, but I just took a chance and look. Oh my God, it's my lucky day
It's
today.
happened. It's happened.
I'm so glad to be talking to you. I'll just brief you a little about my background so that I can just jump to the question I want to ask you. You're a greatly inspiring person, and I came across your Instagram profile and I listened to almost all your lives, and it's really great to be coming forth, with your content. Speaking about my background, I'm based in Delhi. I'm a 24-year-old girl, and I've done my MBA. I've done my BCom honors. I was a gold medalist in my MBA. I did it in marketing and HR. I worked with InfoEdge for a year, and then now, because I wanted to explore more, so I'm currently preparing for the UPSC, which is the IAS. So I'm gonna be giving the October attempt for my first pre, and it's gonna be fun. And but amidst all of this, I'm still thinking about other things because UPSC is a daunting exam. So while I'm, I do get invigorated, but there are my rough patches in the middle. I do keep exploring things like content writing and freelancing because I know I have a nook for writing, and I think I can get into blogging and stuff. And because when I started with the UPSC, I wanted to explore something for a stable career, for the like of it, for what they do, and the passion and all of that. But at the same time, now I feel that when we speak about careers, it's not just about being a CA, CS, and LLB or something. So it's way beyond. The digital space is exploding. So the range of careers that you can do right now is immense. So I'm just like, is it okay if I'm thinking of other careers at this point while I'm preparing for something so big? Is this, is
Yes,
this likely to
100%.
take me?
You're just 24. I don't even know why you're putting the pressure of deciding what you should be doing. UPSC is an intensely hard exam. You know that, so you don't need
Yeah.
to be told that.
Yeah.
I really hope that you clear it. I'm sure you're also hoping that you clear it.
Yeah, for sure.
But alongside, just keep exploring. You are seemingly very talented. You are clearly very ambitious. You've figured how you want to crack it and why and what. So don't settle. At the age of 24, please don't. You have so much ahead of you. हजार चीजें जो तुम कर सकती हो अपनी जिंदगी के साथ.
Exactly.
So why would you want to now say नहीं मेरे को सिर्फ IAS करना है और जिंदगी भर सिर्फ मैं वही करूंगी? If you get through, great. If you don't, you'll have 5 other options that you can pursue. You
Always.
just have to continue exploring. Please don't settle. Definitely not as early as 24.
And just one last question. I won't take much of your time. I just wanted to know, my father is a CA, okay? My mother is a CS. My grandfather is a CS. So they're like all professionals, okay? So they're not in this business thing. So they've never done businesses. They get the idea of a startup, but they think that the idea has to be really breakthrough, that you're doing something amazing and you're revolutionizing it in some way. I don't get a lot of revolutionizing ideas, and the ones that I get, they involve very high investment, or they involve a person with a lot of coding and all of that background. Like this, you must have heard about this app called Clubhouse, and I had a similar idea, but it was slightly on the more complex idea. So my only question is, when you want to make an app out of something which involves a huge user base, how do you go about it? How do you go about getting the investors, and how do you go about making the prototype, because that's really intense, and I really don't have any guidance of that sort. But yeah, I would love to get into a big business, because I know I'm a hugely ambitious person. The one thing that I find very lucrative about the IAS is that you can be in a great job, you can at the same time be a public speaker, at the same time you can go on a lot of events, at the same time you can contribute a lot of people, you can start your own YouTube channel, speak to people just like you're doing. So I really want to be at that level, at where you are, and probably even exceed that. And so I have big aspirations. I don't want to be caught up in one thing, because I know I'm better at more than one thing. But it's just that what to explore at what extent, that is, my question. How do you think I should go about it?
So you went from one question to another to one question to another.
Yeah.
But there were 2 questions in there.
Sorry
One was,
to
of
make it
course, how do
complicated.
you build no, that's okay. How do you build an app? That's a complicated and a long answer, so I will not be able to do justice to that right now.
Sure.
The summary of that is, you'll have to do it with someone who knows how to do it. While you
Yeah.
bring in the idea, someone else will have to be the technical co-founder for you to build this out. But the broader question was, how do you decide on what should be done? There is no way that you can. The only way that at least I have done it, which is the only thing that I can share with you, is keep exploring, and you don't stop. Something will then click at some point of time, but do not put the pressure of making that the only reason for your existence, because the minute you do that, it just goes haywire. तो if suddenly you feel कि जिंदगी में मेरे पास सिर्फ IAS ही एक ऑप्शन है, और अगर वो नहीं हुआ तो मेरी जिंदगी खत्म हो जाएगी, then that is when you will put so much pressure on that IAS that, God forbid, if it weren't to happen, you will just be paralyzed. And that is such a bad way of looking at things. Create options. It gives you power, and that is only going to happen if you keep exploring.
To always be there with an open mind, right? And just
100%.
don't confine yourself to one option, and just don't
Please
be
don't.
worried that, oh my God, at 24, what am I going to do? And stuff like that. Too young for that, right? Too much load.
No, exactly.
Thank you so much.
Exactly.
Thank you. It
All the
was a great
best.
talk, and I'm really obliged I got to speak to you tonight. It's literally like, oh my God, I'm gonna sleep pretty well tonight.
Thank you so much. All the
Yeah,
best,
thank
Shalvi.
you, thank
Take
you. All
care.
the
Bye
guidance that
bye.
you did. Bye bye, bye
Thank
bye.
you. Bye bye. What an energy. What an energy. I loved it. I loved it. All right. Pooja, I see a lot of comments coming in. So I'll just try once if we can bring you live. And if we can, then that will be a good way to end. If it can't, then we'll unfortunately. Oh, happened. Hi, Pooja.
Hi, sir.
How are you? It happened. It happened. पता नहीं
It
पहली बार क्या हुआ था.
happened.
But you're like, you very innocently was like, क्या वो मुझे लाइव लाने की कोशिश कर रहे थे? And then people like, हाँ हाँ पूजा हाँ 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 हाँ. And then I just saw that. So it's like, I assume you are from Pune.
Yeah, I'm from Pune, but right now I'm living in Latur. It's Maharashtra.
Yeah, of course, of course. And क्या आप एक प्रोफेशनल मेकअप आर्टिस्ट हैं?
Yes, sir.
Very
But
nice.
the story is I'm a IT professional also. But from past 3 years, I switched into this profession. This is my passion.
I love it. Can you please tell us ये कैसे हुआ?
Oh my God. Okay. First thing, मैंने पहली बार आपको रिक्वेस्ट भेजी. Still, my hands are so like shaky and all. मैं आपको 1 साल से फॉलो करती हूँ and every post, every like even if you don't come live, every post, every story I share it to my stories and मैं लोगों को convey करती हूँ कि whatever he is saying, I'm accepting it and this is
Thank you.
what he says और ये सारे words मैं follow करती हूँ.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much. तो आप कितने टाइम तक एक आईटी जॉब में थी?
So the story was जब मैं 10th में थी, that time only I was supposed to do something in this industry like dancing हो या fashion हो whatever. But then parents asked me to do science. तभी मैं सोच रही थी कि मैं आर्ट्स कर लूं, but they said कि साइंस करना है. Then also मैंने वहां पे बहुत कम मार्क्स लिए, फिर भी they asked me to do repeat एंड उसके बाद भी मैंने रिपीट करने के बाद मैंने इंजीनियरिंग की. इंजीनियरिंग में मुझे पता था कि अभी कुछ नहीं होना है, तो आई टुक एकेडमिक्स में अच्छी थी, फिर मैंने पढ़ाई वढ़ाई की. फिर भी फाइनल ईयर में जब गैदरिंग्स होते थे तो आई वाज लाइक कि मैं अभी तो थोड़ा हिंट दे सकती हूँ कि व्हाट आई वांट टू डू लाइक. तो मैंने डांस में पार्टिसिपेट किया, आई केम फर्स्ट. देन मैंने फैशन शो में पार्टिसिपेट किया, आई केम फर्स्ट. तो तभी भी वो क्लिक नहीं हुआ. Then again I went to Hyderabad to prepare for GATE examinations.
Oh God.
तभी बोल नहीं पाई कि that I don't want to do this anymore. फिर then उसके बाद भी यहाँ पे सब लोग सुन रहे हैं, they might be like really shocked. उसके बाद भी मैंने CDAC किया to went into IT.
Wow.
Then I cleared my CDAC and then I did IT job for 1 year.
Wow.
उसके बाद then when I wanted to do my own business, this freelancing, क्योंकि बहुत पैसा लगने वाला था, बहुत ज्यादा. like we think at home like कि नहीं हमको थोड़ा बहुत चलेगा like start करने के लिए, but no, it was huge. लर्निंग के लिए पैसा गया एंड देन आफ्टर दैट प्रोडक्ट्स लेने के लिए या फिर जो भी वैनिटी होती है वो लेने के लिए. सो सर डेस्टिनी इतनी अच्छी है, जब पढ़ाई की तो जॉब इजीली नहीं मिला, बहुत हसल किया. बट जब मेकअप स्टार्ट था, जब मेकअप प्रोजेक्ट था, जब मैं सीख ही रही थी, जस्ट 5 days हुआ, आई नो द पावर ऑफ इंस्टाग्राम. मैंने पोस्ट किया कि दैट आई एम लर्निंग दिस. तो मेरे काफी स्कूल फ्रेंड्स और कॉलेज फ्रेंड्स ने मुझे अप्रोच किया दैट दे आर गेटिंग मैरिड एंड आई एम गोइंग टू डू देयर मेकअप. सो उन्होंने मुझे पहले ही पेमेंट कर दिया एंड दैट फ्रॉम दैट मनी आई स्टार्टेड दिस जर्नी.
Oh, fantastic. I love it. I loved that. बहुत बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. And now आपको 3 साल हो गए हैं करते हुए, और आप ये पूरा बिजनेस लार्जली इंस्टाग्राम से चलाती हैं कि?
Yeah. So only Instagram.
Very nice. Very, very nice. Super
Thank
inspirational,
you,
yaar.
sir.
Super inspirational, Pooja. This is
So, but
so
आप
good.
थैंक यू सर. बट आप जैसे बोलते हो ना कि कोई भी चीज के लिए रिग्रेट नहीं करना है, या फिर अभी अभी जो आज आपने पोस्ट किया था वो भी मैंने मेरे स्टोरी पे रीशेयर किया, बट मैंने टैग नहीं किया शायद आपको. बट आई रोट अ वेरी लाइक थॉटफुल थिंग जो आप हमेशा बोलते हो कि मैंने रिग्रेट नहीं किया. हर एक स्टेप पे लाइफ चेंज दिखी है. जैसे अगर स्कूल किया, उसके बाद कॉलेज किया, तो कॉलेज से भी कुछ सीखा, इंजीनियरिंग से भी मैंने कुछ सीखा. लाइक आई एम टुडे अ मेकअप वाली इंजीनियर.
Oh, I love it. Very nice, Pooja. This is the best ending for this live that could have been possible, because you have
थैंक यू सो मच सर.
genuinely gone through a lot. I'm sure कि माँ बाप का जो भी expectations थी, उनका pressure था, उनकी आशाएं थी, उसको साइड पर रखकर अपना पैशन फॉलो करना आसान नहीं था, but yet you did that. You commendably have come this far, and this is now your profession. You seem to be enjoying it. I'm sure you're good at it, and that is so inspiring for all those who are stuck in bad jobs but feel that they don't have a way out. Very nice. Super proud.
Yes, sir. It's all now I'm at this stage कि मैं आगे दिल्ली जाके सीखना चाहती हूँ कहीं पे भी. तो अभी मुझे वो डर नहीं लगता. लाइक आई एम डूइंग इट विद अ वेरी लाइक कॉन्फिडेंट, एंड सारी चीजें कर सकती हूँ अभी इंडस्ट्री में.
Awesome, man. I love it. I love it. You're the best makeup wali engineer that I know of. And I'm sure that you're proud of that as well, because this is super powerful. Very nice. Thank you so much for sharing your story with us, Pooja, and I'm
Thank
glad
you,
that we
sir.
were able to connect. Have a good
So one
night.
screenshot.
Please, let's do the screenshot.
Thank you, sir.
Awesome. All the best. Take care. Have a wonderful
So one
weekend.
more thing, one more thing.
Hanji.
As you always say, ki enjoy your weekend. I only work on weekends.
I know. Your weekends must be busier than your week. Well, make loads and loads of money and be happy with what you're doing on this weekend, and then have a lovely, relaxed week after that.
Yes, sir.
All the best. Take care, Pooja.
Thank you, sir.
Bye. That's awesome. I loved it. That is awesome. On that note, it's 11:13. We're way beyond our scheduled time. Thank you so much for joining me. This was lovely. Every Friday night at 10 p.m., we come live and just have a normal chat like we did today. I hope you enjoyed it. This is Ankur Variku signing off. God bless. Stay safe.